Welcome to the project demonstration of UPI transaction based sanitary pad dispensing system. So this is a real-time UPI transaction based, means we need to scan this QR code and then automatically it will provide you the 10 rupees default money and we need to pay that. Once we pay that successfully done, then the system will dispense the sanitary pad which we have loaded inside this box. So the system consists of mainly sanitary pad dispensing box as well as GSM module and LCD display along with ESP32. So here we interface the ESP32 to communication between the GSM module and providing the LCD prompting messages and controlling a dispensing motor. And also we are using the IR sensor which is used to detect the low count of sanitary pads inside this. So we kept only around 3 for low refilling message alerts. So real timely we can fill up to 35 sanitary pads inside that. And here before demonstration there are many important steps before on the kit and before inserting the SIM card. So first of all, go to the link which we have provided you and in that enter the merchant name. You can type any name, but the UPI address we should enter. So your UPI address. So before this, so for example this UPI address relate to my phone number. So this is my phone number, and when we done a normal transaction, for example create this, for example, so type any name, select UPI address, type your UPI ID, not the mobile phone number, UPI ID. So in my case HVS inbox 1@YBL is my UPI ID, and enter the name, amount for 10 rupees, and you can write anything here. So for sanitary pad dispenser. So after that you can generate the QR code automatically, or else you can download that. So here we can scan this. So for before demonstration we need to scan this QR code from UPI app, Phone Pay or Google Pay. So here, right, so there we can see my bank, the green tick mark as well as 10 rupees. So this has to be done from here, and after this the so-called number which was linked to this account UPI ID, that should be other than Jio, Airtel or VI. So this is another condition. First of all, generate the QR code and it should be Airtel number and check with the green tick mark, and after this you can download this QR code and paste it on the box. And after that, once we done a normal sample scanning transaction successfully done, we should get this SMS, because most of the banks not sending SMS alerts. So here we need to check that before, because this SMS is the main input to us. Based on this SMS only we are going to execute this further steps. So I have received this when we done the 10 rupees before inserting my SIM card into this one. After that only, when you receive the same SMS, then only insert the SIM card into the GSM module. So insertion of the SIM card, it should be right. So it's push to lock and push to unlock. Okay, I'm using my Airtel SIM card. So the notch should be this side. Okay, and we insert that into this slot as I shown in this video. Push to lock. Right. After these steps, these are the very important steps. And after that confirmation, now we can on the pass apply to the kit, and the LCD prompt you to wait till the okay, and waiting for transaction. Now let us do the transaction, right? Once successfully done, right, and you can see on the LCD it will process. It will take around 3 to 4 seconds of duration, right? Once the sound stops, then only we need to take out the pad. So once again from the another number, scan. Right. Right. Depending on your network, that's why we used to use only Airtel. So this is a confirmation amount received, and after the sound stops you can collect this one, right? As the SMS sent and we have received the alerts, please refill SMS to the authority number. This is the authority number which we are going to receive that one. And again then we can refill this, place this normal side, down side. Okay, so then we can place the total pads into the back of this one by refilling that in this manner. Okay, place them as we shown in this video. Again, once again, right, right, right. Again, sending SMS for refilling. Right, so we got this message. This is my personal number, right? Thank you.